If you're over 60 and your sleep is getting lighter, shorter, or more interrupted, it's not just age, it's your cortisol. This stress hormone quietly rises as you get older, especially in the evening, making your mind restless and your body unable to slip into deep sleep. But the real good news, certain foods can naturally lower nighttime cortisol and help you sleep deeply again, without pills, without side effects, and without depending on quick fixes that never work for long. Your body after 60 changes in ways you can feel: lighter sleep, waking up multiple times, racing thoughts at bedtime, or that sudden 3 a.m. awakening that leaves you exhausted for the rest of the day. Seniors often think this is normal. It isn't. Your body wants deep, slow-wave sleep. It simply needs the right nutrients that calm your stress system and repair your sleep cycle from the inside. And the 5 foods you're about to discover do exactly that. The first one is tart cherries. Not the sweet snack cherries, but the sour red ones packed with natural melatonin. They work like a mild sleep supplement created by nature itself. Studies show tart cherries can extend total sleep time and reduce nighttime awakenings because they calm inflammation, reduce cortisol, and signal your brain that it's time to rest. A small glass of tart cherry juice 2 hours before bed is one of the simplest sleep-restoring habits seniors swear by. The second food is walnuts. Most people think they're just a brain-boosting nut, but after 60, they're a sleep tool. Walnuts contain tryptophan, omega-3s, and melatonin, a triple combination that helps your body produce serotonin and then convert it into deep sleep hormones. A small handful at night keeps cortisol down and allows your nervous system to finally settle. Next is warm milk, but not for the reason you think. The tryptophan in milk becomes more effective when the milk is warm, helping your muscles relax and activating the parasympathetic rest mode. Older adults often underestimate how powerful this simple drink is. It lowers tension, reduces nighttime stress signals, and helps your heart rate slow down before bed. The fourth food is bananas. Seniors with restless sleep usually have low magnesium, one of the biggest reasons muscles stay tense and the mind keeps turning. Bananas have both magnesium and B6, which help convert tryptophan into the calming hormones your brain needs. Eating one in the evening can reduce twitching legs, calm the nerves, and help you drift into slower, deeper waves of sleep. And then there's the fifth, the food most seniors ignore but need the most: oats. A warm bowl of oats at night gently raises blood sugar just enough to prevent cortisol spikes that wake you up at 2 or 3 a.m. Oats contain slow-releasing carbs plus magnesium, which relax your brain and make you feel safe, comfortable, and ready to sleep. Seniors who try oats before bedtime often report more stable, uninterrupted sleep within days. Now imagine this. You eat 1 or 2 of these foods in the evening, and slowly your nights start changing. You fall asleep faster, you wake up less. Your mind calms down, your heart feels steady, and you start waking up refreshed instead of tired. Because after 60, sleep isn't just rest, it's medicine. Deep sleep repairs your memory, strengthens your immune system, reduces joint pain, balances hormones, and protects your heart. When cortisol finally drops, everything in your body works better. So if you've been struggling with shallow sleep or waking up exhausted, don't ignore it. Your body is asking for support, and these foods are gentle, natural, and perfectly designed for a senior's changing needs. Tonight, try tart cherry juice. Tomorrow, add walnuts or a banana. Notice how your body responds. Once your cortisol comes down, your deep sleep returns, and with it comes your energy, clarity, and sense of peace. Because you deserve nights that heal you, not nights that drain you. Sleep deeply again, starting now.